At Cooksongold, we understand that upgrading your tools isn't just an investment in equipment, it's an investment in efficiency, precision, and performance. Our professional tools are backed by expertise you can trust. Upgrading your workshop is about transforming how you work. From reducing manual strain to improving speed and accuracy, professional tools make consistent, high-quality results achievable. Our precision tools ensure consistent quality. Built for durability and designed for demanding workshop environments, they can give you the confidence to take on advanced techniques. Experience our equipment firsthand in a personalised demonstration or expert training tailored to your workshop. Keep your Oratig laser welder at peak performance with our expert servicing options. When it comes to investing, our flexible payment solutions make upgrading more accessible. Plus, you'll have access to practical support and expert advice as and when you need it. Discover how our tools can transform your workshop and chat to our technical team today.